Mwamikendisi okuvalero alimeno wa FDC afumuda mutumino cha lupu azo kutoininga FDC unaona watu mkwazo kama wake member of Parliament, Wanoe Lugazi Municipality. Lugazi, oye!
Olina wagama mana tosobola. Gamugabe yasobola. Nija tugenda.
Okamba chikonfira. Eyo matwali tayada. Akasati amani mwegali usije oneulia sumula nenda pro Kumasiwa amana bano ni homo kiri maganda siento kangula oye obadisi ya kolobola yebi ekakupate kuchiuliro obakale ekakupate kukusuliro bano nasema bakaita nkuli eba kachinga kuzinye nkuli nenda bulaya kuzina nkuli akolagala nyo nefudisi nange mpulira njagala katekavuge Salongo, are you ready? Who is ready? I have come from Teso.
I have come here to join
that unless we have a younger generation in the leadership, then Uganda cannot be led well. That's why in FDC, when you look at my president, say, Mr. President, stand up. He's a young man.
What are they saying? FDC is where? It's a national party. It's one of the few national parties you have in Uganda. Akati kusaa weno ebyokwogera twabimaze. We are in action. Buganda, we have said with Buganda now. We are going to go around again. So all the regions are now covered. Who is still doubting if this is not there? There are some few individuals somewhere on one road in Kampala. They have been talking a lot of nonsense. They did not know that the FDCs are here on the ground. And FDC whenever you do on the ground.
Jakaraba bonna bali mu kibiina kya FDC naye bavaamu njagala bakomewo. Wulidde? Mwaganda bakomeye ekibiina kyammwe kyaliwo bwe kiri ky'amaanyi era mwena twagala mubeere muki mu FDC. Si kyekyo? N'abo b'e Katonga bagambe bakole ki? Kuba gye bagenda teri lugendo. There is nothing. Let them come back to our party. Mukkiriza? Do you accept? You tell all the Katonga people to come back. All everybody to come back.
I don't know Uganda.
You went in English.
Basiba ne bannyo mufunze mwampa obuwagizi bwammwe. Nengenda nkola obuvunaanyizibwa obwa mmeeya. Kye nasooka okukola abalala tebaali batwonoonedde wano. Sente saazissaayo Kampala. Sente zaasigala wano. Nasobola okukola emirimu. Yabasabo. Era ekyo emirimu gya Lugazi kati gitambula bulungi. Lugazi enyirira, Lugazi eyaka.
that see what FDC can do by what you have seen in Lugazi today. This is the 6th rally that we have had and the 6th well-attended rally since we began our campaign. FDC has been fighting Museveni for nearly 20 years now. We realize that we need to come together in order to get rid of this problem that has continued to cause untold suffering among Ugandans. Some people celebrated thinking that the FDC is dead. They even thought that our internal problems would cause our collapse. But I want to say to you, I have a very strong team of leaders that have kept FDC above the water.